Hello everyone, Samuel here from myforexmagicweb.com. Just making this a small video just to show that what just one little chart can do in your trading if you know what you're doing. You may know a lot more than me, but you may be one of them that need to know. This is US dollar index chart, just 1 hour chart, small chart, no big deal, not a 4 hour chart or a daily chart and a lot of pips and all that. But imagine, and you can come across, I mean, you got like a euro index and yen index and Aussie index and all those combinations, so many pairs and so many opportunities. But just the US dollar index, 1 hour chart, okay, and it was, it says 13 here, but yeah, it's an old chart yesterday, actually last night. I made this chart and sent out to all the subscribers. So what it is that it was like a possible girdle. Why I say possible girdle? Because my way of trading these harmonic patterns is completely different than the conventional way and everybody else do out there. Usually people trade these once the pattern is finished at point D, but I take it from here and then C point, and then once we get to D, then if you see that the pattern is playing out, then you can reverse it. So you have, two opportunities and sometimes three opportunities in case of a bat or a butterfly pattern. But here we have a possible girdle calculation. I see all these three numbers, they have a specific locations and calculations to differentiate these different kind of patterns. So the calculation we have in hand was showing a girdle finishing, might be finishing at point D around this area, and that's why possible girdle I said. And after a little while, what really happened is, let me show you today where we are. I don't have the final chart here. Okay, let me just go and show it to you here. I didn't open the chart. Let's see what's currently happening there. Here's the chart, the current chart right now. That's what's happening here. And so you see, so far we are at okay, so far we are here at point B. And this is the first hurdle. Usually once you break this yellow trend line, it goes all the way up and this hurts. So we may pull back a little bit or may not, depend, but we may, because it's the timing. Time is 7 Eastern and it's slow time, 8 o'clock Tokyo open. They might take it all the way up. Never know, but let's see. So far from here to here. And what did I say on the chart? I said if goes for D, we'll send AU, GU, EU down and UJ, UF up. So what is AU, GU, EU and all that? Is AU is Aussie USD, GU is Pound USD, EU is Euro USD, and then all my subscriber knows what it is. And USD Yen and USD Franc, because USD once it's on the left hand side, those pair will go up if the USD gets stronger, and wherever the USD is on the right hand side of the pair, those pair will go down once the USD US dollar gets stronger, or index goes up. Okay, so far from here to here, we went up, and I said if goes for D, this will happen. So let's go take a look one by one what happened. Euro USD, you see this, we were here and start going up, and then Euro USD start coming down. You have a magic wave entry here, you have a magic wave entry here, and all the way down to here. And AU, EU, and AU, Aussie USD, same thing. This is Frankie and London open area, and that's where you find the entry, magic wave entry, and all my subscriber knows what they're doing, and you see all the way here. Just a matter of knowing what you're doing, that's all. See this again, this is GU 5-minute chart. All of these 5-minute charts, you can see very obvious clear entries in 5-minute chart. Same, so they all three went down. This was the entries. This was the entry. I still have one small running. Let's see what happened. Should not be doing it, but you know, what the heck. As long as it keep going down, and if it comes and take my SL, then I'll say, oh, okay, now it's time's up. And let's go. And when I said the UJ and UF will go up, and you see this on the even in this side, same thing. It says UJ and UF. So UJ, basically yen got stronger, I guess, too, as the USD was getting strong. So UJ didn't budge much. Here it was like just ranging, and not doing very good. Okay, so I'm not gonna play around with this one. If it comes and take me out, that's fine. Thank you. I'll stay here a little bit. It goes up fine. Anything can happen, and you know, Tokyo open time. And UF was also went up nice and clean from here, starting. This is where, you know, Frankie and London opened, and they went up all the way, and it should keep going. And on my other broker, I have an entry on here. I still have a trade open. So this is what happened. So you see, just one chart, just one little chart of USDX, knowing that it is going to go from here to here, and it gives you, it opens up the whole area of opportunity. You know, it's like you just saw 5 pair moving because of this one chart, small chart. So it is very important to understand and know what this thing is going to do. And I have thousands of, not thousands, I'm not going to brag, but several hundreds of examples on my website, you know, on the charts and categories. You can go and see before, after, before I show it. And then you know, I concentrate on index charts, that because that gives you, even though if they're not available, then you know, I can individually do it, but imagining that, you know, if you know that the USD is going to get stronger, and all the USD pairs, 7 of them, will be affected, and you can just pick and choose which pair is the best showing trending, and then you can just go and, you know, find your entry, and boom, goes with it. Similarly, yen, if you have the yen you probably have like 8 or 9 pair, right? And if yen start to move, I have a very nice setup in yen index, by the way. So it's coming up. I'll be sending to my subscribers, and all of those yen pairs start moving, and then you can just simply pick and choose. Sometimes major pairs like euro yen, pound yen, they don't show up a nice setup, but pair like franc yen and CAD yen show you beautiful setup and then beautiful run up. So just knowing one currency index open up the whole line of opportunities, different pairs. I mean, people look for one good setup, and here you can have like several, you know, pick and choose kind of situation. Look at these, you know, it's all went down crazy, right? And the pound is still going down, and the pound is weak. The pound index is sitting there somewhere nice, and Aussie is still dropping again. And I know where they're going, all those SNR levels and everything. I have it. You can see how I trade on my website. 4-hour chart, SNR levels, and this and that. One level goes, and then go the other one, and then the other, like this one. You see, this one, we broke below it, and we tested here, testing, and then drop. And then we have other levels around here, up, you know, different levels up there. I don't have it here because I don't want to make it crowded. So this is what you can do if you learn how to read index charts, and what are the index charts and how they affect the currency. And if you really want and need to learn, come on my website, watch it. You have several examples over there. Too many examples, and if you like it, you know, just take the first step, join us, and start trading like this. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.